Hi, my name is Anneke, and I'm the Mini Lizard Ninja. I'm also a 5-star ninja athlete. I like the Augers Ninja Team because it's a place where we can be who we are, because I usually compare myself to the boys, but in this class I don't do that, and I feel great of who I am and who I want to be. I like Ninja Warrior training because I love just learning new obstacles and just getting stronger, not only on the outside, but on the inside.
I think that there is something a little bit different to be around other girls. There's a little bit more of an encouraging aspect to see someone challenging themselves maybe in the same way that you are. There's just a different fellowship or camaraderie with girls. She's very competitive with her brother, so whatever Troy does, she wants to do too. So and I think a lot of ways it's really good for her. And when she's at in the girls class, I see that Anneke takes more of a leadership role herself.
So Anneke has developed her growth mindset through Ninja Warrior training. Just by when you see her come here, and she gets a little jealous of her brother, the kind of stuff that he can do, but she keeps working hard at it and keeps trying at it, and she's starting to have the success now.
The coaches are very kind and humble and intelligent. They help me when I need help. I'm learning new things, and I love Ninja Warrior. I did it! I did it.